And now we're doing something in Kingston. It's a whole other world here in Kingston. And to be able to do something for dancehall, this is the dancehall show of the decade.
It's a case of it's going to be big, but just how big the question. Buju Banton staging his return show at the National Stadium in 2019, with Chris Brown, Burna Boy and Kirk Franklin also performing at the venue.
It's a monster. This one is not only for the record books, but I feel, I talk a lot about the biggest festivals in the world, and Coachella is one of them, and there's others as well. And everyone thought that was kind of a joke, but now that what's good about this production and how to do it right is that we have a lot of people working on it internationally, and they have a different attitude. They want everybody to win. It's not about competition. It's really about doing the best you can and bringing unity to the music scene.
Masika is on the bill right now. Did you guys bring him in to boost ticket sales?
No, we didn't bring him in. He came because of his friend, and that's Vybz Kartel in Respect. So he just wants to be given all his love to not only this show, but to the artist himself. When they're on point and feel the love for one another and not the competition with one another, they can move mountains, and we're going to be moving big mountains on this one. Billboard was here on this field with him a couple days ago. They're going to have a big, I think it's a cover story of him in Billboard. I mean, that's as top as you can get. It's the Portmore Empire revisited, along with Skilly Bang and Chronic Law. That person in Canada, can't mention his name, but he'll be here. Freedom Street. The shackles are off. Boom, bang.
So today I'm doing the final video for 2024, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone that have subscribed in 2024, everyone that clicked that like button, and everyone that shared in the comment section. 2024, I started Carib 21, and it's been a wonderful year. We had like 4,000 subscribers in 2024, over 500,000 watch time in 2024, and we want to continue to spread this one Caribbean message going forward in 2025. And today, being the last video of the year, I thought that I would do the whole Freedom Street concert, Vybz Kartel, the New Year's Eve concert in Kingston, Jamaica, that is taking over Kingston like a tsunami. Everybody is talking about this Freedom Street concert, and we've seen an article printed in the Jamaican Observer about 18 private jets flying to Jamaica over the past couple of days. We have seen celebrities in Jamaica like Prince Harry and Meghan. We have seen like Cardi B. We've seen like there's rumors that Drake is going to be in Jamaica. We have also seen Idris Elba. So this December, like the final days in December, and Jamaica is a buzz, in particular Kingston, Jamaica. And this is not normal for, in particular, Kingston, Jamaica to be like, if you go online and you look, almost every hotel in Kingston is booked out. When you check Airbnb, booked out. Like it is just, and you talk to people in Jamaica, it is just like a crazy atmosphere. Like the police federation is saying that, like, look, do not show up anywhere close to the National Stadium today. Do not show up anywhere close to the National Stadium today. And they have shuttle service from Heroes Circle, from different parts of Kingston going into the National Stadium. So today I want to talk about, is this Freedom Street, this concert, going to be the biggest concert in the history of Jamaica? Is it going to surpass the Bob Marley One Love concert and the Buju Banton Long Walk to Freedom? That is what I want to talk about today. Let's talk about it. Yes, so as I said, Jamaica is buzzing. Today is the final day of 2024 and Jamaica is buzzing. And normally, because in December, it is very expensive to fly to Jamaica in December. The prices like double in some cases, could even triple. And so for Kingston in particular, it is not normal to see like an influx of people flying to Kingston. Like people, yes, in Jamaica, like the last day, today the last day of the year, it's normal to have like these New Year's Eve party, whether it's like one of them bacchanal, like carnival, so and the fireworks downtown Kingston and wherever across the island. We're accustomed to having that. But this year, it's a different atmosphere with the Freedom Street concert. And I think this is one of the, like Vybz Kartel is a very good marketer. Like that is one thing you can't take away from him. You can argue whether he's the king of dancehall or whether he's the greatest of all time or whatever. But in terms of marketing, it's undisputed. No one can argue that. And then to team up with someone like Joe Bogdanovich, who most people would say is probably the greatest, one of the greatest promoters in Jamaica history. If not the greatest, he would probably be in the top 5. And to put these two people together and to come up with a New Year's Eve party like Freedom Street, this is like a brilliant marketing idea. And I don't know if this was the reason for Sting not going forward this year. I guess we'll never know until all the details come out. But this concert is like buzzing. So today, I just want to talk about today. Like, do you think, sound off in the comment section. I remember when the Long Walk to Freedom concert, that was a buzz that I think that sold out faster than maybe the Freedom Street concert sold out. And people flying from the UK, from Canada, from America, from all over the Caribbean coming to see Buju Banton perform for the first time. And people know Buju Banton to give like an excellent performance. Buju Banton could just be on the stage by himself for like 2-3 hours. People know that about Buju Banton. Vybz Kartel was never like a great performer on that level, like a Buju Banton that could occupy the stage for like 2-3 hours. But we see the lineup like the Gaza reunion type of thing. And the rumor that Drake is going to make an appearance. So, and with Sting, like no longer, the cancellation of Sting and people looking for somewhere to go. My question, do you think that this Freedom Street concert is going to be the biggest concert in Jamaica history? Is this going to surpass the Long Walk to Freedom? Is this going to surpass Bob Marley One Love concert? And I would say as it pertains to like New Year's Eve party, undoubtedly I think this is going to go down as the biggest New Year's Eve celebration in the history of Jamaica. Undoubtedly. I think that's a no-brainer. So what I'd also like to talk about is in terms of the boost to the economy, in particular Kingston, because last year Jamaica brought in 4.1 million tourists to the island, a small island of Jamaica, less than 3 million population. The visitors that visited Jamaica last year, 4.1 million people, and most of those people were on the North Coast, not Kingston. Could this concert be like an economical boost to Kingston? I would be very interested to see the numbers that comes out after this concert, how much millions or billions were in circulation for this last week of the new year. So guys, sound off and let me know, do you think that this is going to be the biggest concert in Jamaica history or the biggest New Year's Eve concert? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And are you in Jamaica now for the concert, or are you in Jamaica right now for the concert? Did you fly down from the concert for the concert? Where did you come from? Did you come from Canada, the UK? People could be coming from Japan, as I say, America, and anywhere in the Caribbean. Sound off and let me know what you think about this. And, I also wanted, as I said, I want to talk about the economics of it, because I saw an article. The article in the Jamaica Observer with the Minister of Tourism talking about, 18 private jet that flew to Jamaica in one single day. And they're talking about not being able to disclose the people that were there, but they're like politicians and celebrities from North America. But what happened, a few of those celebrities went up and post like stuff on social media. So we got wind that like Cardi B is there, that Michael Douglas is there, that Idris Elba is there, that Meghan and Harry is there, and a few other celebrities in Jamaica as we speak. So my thing is that, do you think that the tourism minister, the Minister of Tourism, and the tourism ministry, should they give Vybz Kartel, Joe Bogdanovich, like some credit for this buzz that is happening in Kingston? Do you think that they're going to credit them? Because nowhere in that article I didn't see that it's linked to this concert. What is the buzz that they are describing in the tourism industry? They're not linking any of it to the concert. So do you think that it's a direct link to Vybz Kartel concert? And do you think that the Jamaican government is like hypocritical because sometimes, they use Bob Marley to market Jamaica. They use reggae music, Jamaican culture to market. But whenever like things like this is happening, like they don't give credit. I don't remember the tourist board. They're like collaborating with Buju Banton for the Freedom Street concert, like for the Long Walk to Freedom concert. I remember in those times they were concerned about the look, how it would look if government or the tourist board partner with the Long Walk to Freedom, because Buju Banton served a 10 years sentence in prison, so it would not be a good look for the government. So I'm assuming that the same thing is going to happen with this Vybz Kartel concert, that yes, they will take the millions or billions of dollars that the spin-off from this concert in terms of Airbnb, in terms of hotels in Kingston, but they are not going to want to associate themselves with the concert because, again, Vybz Kartel and the 13 years served in prison. So let me know, do you think that is fair that, Vybz Kartel is creating this buzz in Kingston in particular, not a tourist destination, not a place that 90% of the tourists that comes to Jamaica don't know what Kingston look like, but a lot of people are flying in for this concert, people that might be seeing Kingston for the first time. Do you think the tourism board and the minister should give Vybz Kartel some credit? So sound off in the comment section and let me know what you think about this. And I'll be continuing to follow the buzz, what is going on in New Year's Eve in Jamaica. And who knows, I might do a follow-up video on this. So guys, leave your comments in the comment section. And if you're watching this and it's not Happy New Year yet, Happy New Year to you and your family, and a prosperous and a safe 2025. And I hope Jamaica become a safer country. I hope Jamaica, we will maximize on what is going on in Jamaica now, the buzz that is going on in Jamaica, and make Jamaica a place that all Jamaicans will be proud of. So sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.